Our next warrior is Mr. Mahesh Punjabi. I request Mr. Mahesh to please come on up on stage. A round of applause for him.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Edmonton jury, and thank you, Sunitra, Tanay, Monica, and Vinayak, and the whole team at Smart Homes for having us here. What I'm going to present today is an apartment in Pune. The brief of this apartment was very clear. It was meant for 3 generations. So it's a luxury apartment. Other than the aesthetics, I might diversify from the automation to a little bit of aesthetics, but I'll come back to the automation and the smart control systems. The apartment was done for 3 generations. It was done by Aztec Technologies, Mr. Rakesh Sachdev. It was done by 3 generations. The best way to describe this is what was not done rather than what was done in this. What we did not do is we did not do away with conventional TikTok switches. We did not do away with elderly conservative usage or the servants' usage. We did not give smart to the fridges. The fridge doesn't tell you whether the bhaji is there or not there. That is not there in this house. These are essentials which are very well marketed by automation companies the world over, but they do not suit Indian conditions at all, no matter what. Other than that, what else is there is obviously the rooms. They have different modes. Daytime, they have the dusk light. Evening time, they have the peacock blue colors. They have soft lighting. LED wallpaper. The wallpapers have LEDs in them. They have interactivity. Appliances. Some of the appliances do have automation, like the toasters and everything. They have automation in them. Walk-in wardrobe. Again, we try to get extra smart with it. So every time there's a small strong room inside this. So every time somebody opened the walk-in wardrobe strong room, there was a SMS and an alert to the owner. But since there was a mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law, we had to remove it immediately. It did not go well together. So that is something again which you do not do it. Because frantic calls came home, oh no, it was you, no problem. So that is something which did not work. We had to remove the system. Alexa is there, curtains are there, timing controls, that is there. Over and above these, they have centralized music. The curtains draw open in the morning, Gayatri Mantra or whatever their preferences are. They have pipe music over the house. Sofas. The sofas, if they are reclining, some of them have preset memories. So M1, M2, M3, depending on the user, they are there. Moods. Whether they have 4 buttons or 6 buttons or 16 buttons, only the 6 in the face are capable of remembering. Below that, second click, third long press, fourth long press, nobody remembers 16 moods. Because out of the 6 buttons, 2 buttons are purely, one is all on, all off. All on is for your domestic help to use it, all off is for you to walk out in a second. Other than that, lounge, drama, party, theater, whatever moods are there, these are the 4 basic moods. No 16 moods are given anywhere at all. If that is desired, manually you have to reduce it, decrease or increase it. Speakers, they're all flushed in the black panels that you're seeing on the screen. The screen comes down from top. In addition, again, the aquarium lights, these are seawater fish. Seawater fish are very different to freshwater fish. The lighting has to be controlled. Their life depends on it. So again, the lighting is connected to the mood. The smart appliances I already told you about. Bathroom lighting. Bathroom lighting has hot and cold. Depending on the water which is flowing from the basin has, Toto has these self-luminous basins. So depending on the hot or the cold water, the basin LED changes to hot or cold. This is very handy as far as kids are using it. It's quite helpful with that. Balcony has the usual soft blue lights below the skirting level. And that's about it. Anything else, please, sir.
Oh yeah. So Sir had 1 minute left, but thank you so much for being absolutely crisp with your presentation. We now take up the questions.
anything specific you have done to tailor to the mother-in-law's needs?
Every automation panel has a standard curtain open and close and a minimal light tick-tock below every automation panel. That is specially done for the mother-in-law.
What about making them, feel more comfortable with the smart technology? Since people have to get used to it, how easy or how difficult was it?
Just like I said, we have not done away with anything. We have added over and above the basic tick-tock switches, which have not been done away with at all. Yes, there were 8 to 12 switches 10 years back, which have been restricted to 3 or maximum 4, like the parents or the elder people are comfortable using. Same with the domestic help. So this has been used as an add-on to improve the quality of life rather than do away with the conventional tick-tock.
Yeah, Mahesh, did you use any security system there?
Security system is the normal lock with the photograph. The person swiping, if the owners of the house are coming in 7 or after 7, it gives access to him. Behind his back, if somebody comes and doesn't get access, it clicks a snapshot of the person at the door. That's about it.
Yeah, hi Mahesh. So, can you just let us know what was the design thinking behind the whole concept? Was it more of comfort or more of security or more of well-being, or when the whole thing was designed?
The gentleman is a well-traveled guy, and again, the family specters 3 generations. So keeping all of them in mind, I think the design criteria mostly revolved around the client, who's about 40 years old. Luxury aspect was the core essence of the project. Aesthetics, definitely. Can we have the photographs, please? Aesthetics. Home theater was given undue importance in all the rooms. Sound systems. And automation definitely added value to the whole perspective.
Hi, would you be able to give us a sense of what the cost was for the automation component of the home?
1.25 crores. These are relatively small houses. Maharashtra, 3,000 square feet, 2,000 square feet is considered a very big house compared to the houses that you all have over here. So that was the cost.
What was the cost of the automation? Smart.
1.25 was the cost of the
1.25
automation.
crore.
Yes.
But that is including the hardware and software.
Everything. Touch panels in every room. Touch panels, his backup iPads, everything.
When was it done? When was the
Last year.
But did we have some option of other pricing levels where, because 1.75 crore on automation, isn't it too high, or is it?
We have the gentleman who's here who's done it. If there's any, I'll put him on board. The gentleman who did the job.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Rakesh Sajdev. I'm here to answer your questions.
Here that the cost of automation is drastically less. How come the cost is one? What is it the major contributor to that 1.25?
In any automation, the AV cost is quite a lot. So, like if you can have a pair of speakers for 2 lakhs, you can have a pair of speakers for 50 lakhs. So the AV cost is very indeterminate. Lighting cost is generally in control. It has got a range in which we can operate in.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, those hardware if you remove.
Sorry?
I mean those hardware kind speakers and all that if you remove.
Okay, if I
and
just
keep
tell you
only
about-
the automation as such.
Yeah.
How
yeah.
much do you think will be the?
I think it will be around 50 lakhs. The controls cost would be around that much. Yeah. And as he was saying, we had designed this around a home automation for 3 generations. So those who want to use a conventional infrared remote, you can use that. So the native remote which comes with the product was always available for you to use. But if you want to switch to your app, you can do those. You can do that. Likewise with the lighting automation, we designed that. Okay, if you are not comfortable, because we face a lot of opposition when we are designing this. So we said, okay, have everything. So you want to push a button. You want to push an app. You want to call Alexa. Do what you like. And for servants, we especially gave them certain buttons. Okay, you press all on and all off. When you press all on, you can do your sweeping. You press all off, your job is done. So we designed it completely as per their lifestyle. Like I know this gentleman who's the owner of the house. He likes to have a meal in the midnight. He wants to go and eat something. So he has to come out of his apartment, from his bedroom to the area outside, then the lobby, then the stairs, then into the living room, and then into the kitchen. So I gave him a button where he presses midnight snack, and all the lighting is lit up to his refrigerator. And then he comes back and he turns it off. So a lot of conveniences have been built around that. Every time, like the terrace area, if they open the door after 7 o'clock in the evening, then automatically the light comes on. But if it is done before that, then of course the lights don't come on. So we did a lot of customization in terms of lighting control, curtain controls, whatever. There are a lot of standard scenes which you have, watch movie scenes and all. So all that standard stuff, of course, we did over there. Any other question?
All right, thank you so much. Any questions?
Thank you.
So we'll take the audience questions later for them. Anyways, congratulations.
Big round of applause to Mr. Mahesh Punjabi for winning the gold award on this
and
section.
our system integrator, please come on up. I would request Mr. Avinash Suresh to hand out the gold award.